Hello everyone, and welcome to the fall semester here at Robert Morris University. I hope you enjoyed your first week on campus for those of you that are new, and welcome back if we have any students returning from last year. I hope you guys had a very great week. I apologize for not getting this video out to you sooner. It turned out to be quite a hectic week, and I want to be sure that you are finding things okay, that you are on the right track, and know that I am here to help you. A couple of you have reached out with some questions. You can certainly email me at any time. You can also, make an appointment to meet with me one-on-one through Google Meets. Just send me an email. My name is Laurie Usher, and you can reach me at usher@rmu.edu. Super easy. And hopefully you were able to find the syllabus okay under the Start Here tab. And that tab also contains many other useful elements for you. You can learn a little bit about me. You can also find the Blackboard Resources and Technology Assistance folder. So for those of you that are getting used to using Blackboard, this can be a very helpful resource. There are some videos that you can even watch. I tried to set up the course for you as easy as possible. It is organized by weeks. So I see that most of you have found the week 1 folder. Your first reading was Language Awareness, Critical Reading Critically, and Writing Arguments Chapter 1. You had the Introduction Forum. There is the VoiceOver PowerPoint, your discussion boards, and your journal entry. So just a reminder that your replies are due by 6 p.m. tonight. If you have not replied yet to 2 classmates, you want to be sure to do that. Also, your journal entry is due by 11:59 p.m. tonight. Oh, I'm sorry. I gave you until 11:59 for the original post, but yes, your reply posts are due by 6 p.m. So I am going to be available to you. I will send out a link if you would want to stop by a Google Meet to just talk about the course, if you have any questions, something of that nature. So kind of like a virtual office hour this week. I'm not exactly sure yet what day and time. So I will send that out as soon as possible. But I hope you are enjoying the holiday weekend. Have a great weekend tomorrow, or great day off tomorrow, no class. But the week 2 folder will open for you tomorrow. So just in case you do want to get started. If not, wait until Tuesday. That's fine too. So again, welcome to fall semester. And if you have any questions, please let me know. Take care, everyone. Happy Labor Day.